Welcome to week 4. This week we're going to learn about financial literacy, including salary negotiation and money management. So in your first discussion, you're going to work with a partner to do a bold negotiations activity. You're going to want to start with reading the salary negotiation tip, and you're going to also revisit your personal branding statement. So just review the overview and pair up with a partner before you post in the discussion. So if you need some help pairing up with the partner, we're going to do a similar thing where we'll post underneath this announcement. If you need a partner, say I need a partner, the next person to come along can pair up with you, and then it will continue so on. Someone else can post, someone else can join that person. If you have any troubles pairing up with a partner, please contact me no later than Tuesday so that I can help you pair up with someone. If need be, we could have some groups of 3. So that's your first discussion. And your second discussion will be similar to other weeks with chosen readings. You are going to review the SALT Money video tutorial, and you'll need to log into there. And then you'll have 3 articles within that website that you'll take a look at and post your discussion here. Most of you have signed up for the phone coaching sessions, but if you haven't signed up yet, please email me as soon as possible. And I posted the times and the announcements here. And I'll be flexible. So if for some reason none of these times work for you, let me know and I'll see if I'm able to. I will try to be as flexible as possible. So looking ahead, you should have your meeting scheduled for your informational interview, and make sure that you have thoroughly read the informational interview report and presentation overview and rubric. So take a good look at all of that so you know what's lying ahead for the next couple weeks. And if there's anything that you're unsure about or have questions about, please let me know. And I'll remind you of this a few times, but just keep in mind that in week 6, no late assignments can be accepted because I need to submit grades on time. So typically you can submit your assignments up until Wednesday evening, except for week 6. They have to be in on time. And if you have any questions about that, let me know. And I also want to thank you for all the hard work and the detailed assignments and supportive posts these past several weeks. You guys are an amazing group. So enjoy your last couple weeks of class and have a wonderful week.